Hello guys, let's take a look at this Glade Touch and Fresh room freshener. It's a small portable unit that you can put on a wall, and it'll refresh your room whenever you press on it. This is a lavender flavor or a smell, and that's how you stick it, and whenever you press it should release a little bit of spray to freshen up the room. Costs around 90 rupees or around $2 or so. Again, it's made by a company that's been around 1886. That's a really long time. It says Johnson. I'm not sure if it's Johnson or some other brand. It says SC Johnson Family Company, and that's the you get a tape on the back which allows you to stick it to any wall, and that's the canister with the room freshener, and you slot it into the sprayer. It's quite straightforward. Just press it in and stick it wherever you want, in your toilet or any other nasty place, and when you squeeze on the handle it sprays a small bit of spray, and it smells really nice. Simple, nice. Check it out.